back to the red where we left off. It's getting a little windy out here. I feel a slight chance of rain incoming. Some rain incoming. Look at that. What is that? A crate deck? She don't know how to drive that thing. I guess we got some time to get a good look on it, right? So there you go. Alright. Try my best to make sure y'all don't miss nothing when I see a clip. I'm going back. But we almost done. Let's get this green one. Nice one, not bad. Okay, we got this red one next to it. And I can't call out the names of these here. Look at this blue one because he's leaving. So try to catch as many as I can. Alright, finish up the red. Cause see, once I finish these, I ain't worried about the middle. I figure the middle it'll be the hardest for the people in the middle to get out, so it'll take them longer. What I want to get is the people on the ends. This red one is actually the same as the last one I showed you, maybe slightly different interiors. He looked like he missing some parts the other guy ain't. Original radio, good job. Nice beige interior. Yeah, and then this is same Pidgeot, same thing. Actually, they a little different. You can see the hood layout on this one. The key lock is on the top. And on this one, you got the key lock and the traditional. Alright, just showing you, there's some small differences between the two, even though they are close to being exactly the same. This is another 304. Another one with the key lock on top. Okay.
Was machst du mit dem Nummernschild?
Mein Deutsch ist...
Wir fotografieren nur Nummernschilder, oder was?
Das Auto.
Nee, das ist ja mehr nur ein Nummernschild als das Auto.
I don't want to. I'm off right now. My mind ain't German. I've been talking English the whole time, but I hate when that happens. Okay, we're gonna get this one. It's probably the most perfect thing I could have found out here today. Get it from this view. Okay, and then we're gonna, of course, get in there close. Original radio. Really nice. Really. That's another guy with the everything original. Alright. He even got the original radio still. This is another Pidgeot. This one ain't a drop top version of those, but it's similar. I think this the hard body version. Nice white walls though. Nice white walls. Nice shape, nice style. Got the little side cut windows here. Oh, the convertibles got them too. The convertibles got them too. Little vents. Alright, we got that out the way, right? Tell you, man, I'm knocking them out, man. We just got these little ones over here, and then the ones in the center, and I pretty much be to show you all of the vehicles. Okay, so sweet.
Das ist wirklich ein Design, was es eigentlich nie mehr wieder gegeben hat. Also, es wird unheimlich viel.
Check that little baby, man. That little baby a monster. That look pretty sweet. I never seen one of those either, man. These all first timers for me, man.
Ja, das Programm, du hast es gerade schon angesprochen, ist eigentlich für Vielfalt. Wenn du dir vorstellst, dass der Winkel genau in die andere Richtung geht. Aber eben.
Look at the steering wheel. The attention to detail in these cars is really, really nice. Just the back of it. And I really like that too.
Ja, und jetzt stehen wir neben dem Auto, das ist
original radio in him too. Good job, man. Good job. The front headlight design on this one. And that's it from the front again. This the blue version of it. I'm a fan of this blue myself. Just the rims on the blue. Kind of similar to that other one.
Der Wagen hier ist restauriert, das ist voll Prestige, 1976. Einer der allerersten.
You can see how that's made. I always want y'all to be able to see that because it's a little more detailed than usual. And this one pretty much the same as that one, just we still gonna look though. We ain't taking no chances. Let's get the interior of this one. Stick shift, custom factory radio. Alright, got a couple extra gauges across in there. I don't know how well y'all will be able to see in there. He highlighted this orange at the rear. So this the other one from the back. Okay. From the other side. Okay. And he did the mirrors orange too. That's pretty, makes sense. It makes sense. This the other blue one that's next to it. I'm pretty sure these are all the same though, you know. I just don't want to miss any of them in case, you know, even if they are the same. I have video of 3 of them. Because they don't look the same in the inside, you know. The details of the car, the silver trimmings, they all been taken care of. The rims, as you can see, the rims all even a little different. All right, there's still that second blue one that I said I'm gonna show. And then this one of my favorites, mainly because it reminds me of the 300ZX, man. That's why I keep saying, if you look at this one, you can see where they got that design idea from. If you know the 300ZX, I really believe that this what this car is based on. That's just my belief. And I first said that because of the headlight design. You know, where the projectile bulb normally would be at over here. Alright. And I was showing that earlier on the stream. I don't know if y'all was able to see it, so that's why I'm doing it again now, because I really, really liked it. That really nice headlight. It's basically like glass in front of glass. There go the rims. And that side of it. The window cut. The window cut actually kind of weird, isn't it? Looks nice though. The interior, not bad interior. Yeah, I don't like that vinyl on the dash. Okay, we're gonna go around. See if we can get a good side shot for you. Okay. Come around this way. Alright. Let you see it from the back. And then carry on to the last two for this part, and then I can move to the middle and finish up there. Oh, this baby claimed to be a turbo. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. This a turbo. Now that's a sleeper, man. Oh, it is. It really is too. He ain't lying. I thought it was a joke.
That's really good.
No, he ain't lying. He ain't lying. I thought you was lying, man. I see it.
Where you from? Where you from?
United States.
Ah, nice. Which town?
Ohio.
You just came for a festival?
Nah, I've been here for a while now. Just visiting, looking around. What kind of turbo you got in here? This a twin or a single?
Huh?
This a turbo, single turbo?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, man.
Garrett's.
This a real sleeper. This a real sleeper, no doubt. I like this, man. Good one. He said it's a single turbo. I can't help but laugh at that. Hey, man, you got a blow off valve?
Sorry?
You got a blow off valve?
Blow off?
You got a blow off valve?
Sure, it has to happen. Yeah.
Let me please let me hear it. Let me hear it, please.
It's not that loud.
It don't matter. It don't matter. Let's just see that he got one.